If you have a Ford Ranger that won't shift into four-wheel drive from two-wheel drive, it could be your transfer case motor has gone bad. Over time, these motors like to corrode and rust because of the minimal use that these get. However, it is such an easy fix to change the motor yourself. You can go to O'Reilly's Auto Parts, AutoZone, or any auto parts store near your house and pick up yourself a transfer case motor for your Ford Ranger for around 150 to 200 bucks. I had the same problem. My truck would not shift from two-wheel drive into four high or four low. So when I would turn the dial, you would just hear the clicking sound of the switch trying to send the signal to the transfer case motor to engage, but it wouldn't ever switch over. However, the dash light did light up indicating that it was on, but it really wasn't on. And what I ended up doing was I changed out my transfer case motor. I got a brand new part from rockauto.com. I'll display right here on screen exactly what I got. And I only paid 110 bucks for it out the door. It was such an easy install. It was only held in by four 10 milliliter bolts. And there's also one wiring harness that you have to disconnect and then hook back up to the new motor. I made a video on how to do it. If you want to do it yourself, save yourself a couple bucks, check out the video. It'll be in the description box down below. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please give the video a like and check out our channel, see what we're all about. Got lots of Ford Ranger videos on the channel just like this, so check us out. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch our videos. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.